Lalo.
And
Wait lang, Daddy. Wait lang. Patingin ko
Ah.
kaya ito.
I'm going to put the pork that I boiled. Okay, there you go. And now we just saute and saute. We're going to saute it like this. This is what you call pancit sotanghon. Guisado. Now, I am going to put the sweater. That's it for the meantime. Now, I'm going to put soy sauce. That's it. Now, I'm going to put the water, the boiled broth. Thank you. There you go. Now, let it boil for about 5 minutes. Boiling. I'm going to put this vermicelli, longkao. There you go. I put it there and I'm going to mix it. Final product. Looks yummy. Simple living, simple cooking. Pancit, sotanghon, a la guisado.